how long to deposit money on Degiro. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this episode, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how long does it take to deposit money on Degiro. So there are different ways of transferring funds into a Degiro account. So when you're actually transferring the funds, it may also, so the time limitation also matters. So you can find the bank details to transfer funds to during the initial registration. So once you have access to your account, these details can be found in a deposit or withdrawal section. Your funds are normally available in your account after 2 to 3 working days. So basically, transfer can take up to 2 to 3 working days to complete the transaction. Once this time has elapsed, please check your balance account for the funds. It may be that the transfer failed or was returned. If in that case, you may have sent the funds from an unregistered bank account that might be causing a delay or certain issues while completing the transaction. As per the website itself, it notes that it takes up to 2 to 3 business days in order to complete the transaction. So that's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.